Okay, so familiar ba kayo kay Alveo? Or is it first time nyo na narinig like Alveo? Kasi I'm sure with you guys, you're just only familiar with like Villar, Camellia, Mega World, Highlands, yung mga Filigree, yung mga ganyang developer. Yeah. So, just to let you know guys, Alveo is the leading developer here in the Philippines. So Alveo is an Ayala land. So basically it's Ayala land. Ganito siya. Merong Ayala Premier, Alveo, Avida, Amaya, and yung iba pa. So dito sa Pilipinas, ang pinaka first leading developer is si Alveo. Why? Hindi ko din alam. Ano sa tingin niyo?